Sales boosting techniques. Number 5, launch lightning deals and promotions. Lightning deals are flash sales offered on Amazon for a limited time, usually lasting 4 to 6 hours. These deals can generate massive exposure for your products, especially if scheduled during peak shopping periods like Black Friday or Prime Day. While participating in these deals may require a fee, they can greatly increase your product visibility and drive significant short-term sales. Make sure you have enough inventory to support the demand and track the performance of these deals to ensure profitability. Lightning deals and promotions. Helium 10 Tool Market Tracker. Use this tool to monitor how your competitors are performing during promotions or special events like lightning deals. This data helps you gauge market trends and evaluate the success of your own deals. So start selling on Amazon like a pro with Helium 10. Press the link below to get your Helium 10 discount. Use coupon code PRO10 for lifetime 10% off or PRO20 for 6 months 20% off. Start now and take your business to the next level.